I think 10 seconds left, and it's going to be a weak opening, no two ways about that. The pre-opening rates have settled about 370 points lower on the Nifty, just below that 17,200 mark. I think today it's going to be a secular move on the downside. 1,200 points gone on the Sensex, by the way. The first tick is quite ugly. Even on the Nifty, 370 points gone. The Bank Nifty is down 900 points. So straight off the back, it's a 2% slide on the indices. What's topping the charts on the downside is the IT stocks. So you have Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Infosys, Wipro, all down about 3 to 4%. And then you have the metal names. So the Tata Steel, Hindalco, that's under pressure, followed by names like SBI Life, Apollo Hospitals, Bajaj, Finserv, Adani Ports, Coal India. So nothing is spared really. All the stocks are in the red at the moment. I think it's just the domestic-facing stocks that are outperforming a tad bit. So whether it's Nestle, HUL, ITC, Britannia, all the domestic consumption stocks, even the auto stocks not doing too badly, outperforming a bit, Bajaj, Auto, Maruti. All of them are in the red, but lesser than, the other stocks. So I guess today it's all about the global markets and the sell-off there.
Absolutely, it is. 347 points lower, so 17,212. Futures are still at a 8790 point premium on top of spot. So 17,292 is where the futures value is at this point in time. Let me just take a quick look at what some other stuff is doing, broader markets. So market breadth, of course, is some 7-8:1 in favor of declines. Tata Elxsi is down 5%. It's I'm just mentioning things with largest volumes. Zomato is down 4%. We were just talking about that, 59. IRCTC is down 5.25%, 681. There is Tech Mahindra, which is down 5.5%. 1,027 should I want to pose that tech IT question, IT services question to Samir in a bit. RBL Bank is down 5%. RBL Bank saw a bit of a move on last week, 119. LTI, that is L&T Infotech, down 5%. Mindtree is down 4.5%. Happiest Minds is down 4.5%. KPIT Tech is down 4.5%. So it's tech. I mean, across the board, a fair bit of pressure coming through on IT services companies at this point in time. Reliance is starting. I mean, could this be a bit of a balancing factor today with the AGM? We'll see. 2,600 on Reliance. It's flat, 0.5% lower. That's about it at this stage. So, I mean, just to start, Nelco is up about 5.5% on the upside. Another one with volumes showing up early, 900 nearly on Nelco. Nigel.
Well, the start is quite ugly on expected lines. The low of today is around 17,180, so that becomes a crucial mark. We're going back there, and in fact, we're trying to bounce 20-30 points, or we're getting sold into. So just keep an eye out on this zone, 17,150, 17,180 odd. The problem is the breadth of the market. You have only 185 stocks that are advancing. You have one stock that's advancing for 13 stocks that are declining. So that's a bit of an issue. And the bigger issue from the index standpoint is the Nifty Bank. That's down 1,020 points odd, 2.5% low. And a lot of these banking names that put on weight last week, well, in fact, they are giving up pretty much everything. Reliance Industries, that's going to be the crucial factor for the second half of trade. We're drifting down now towards that 17,150. So 2.5%, 2.2% odd gone on the index. And if you take it from the recent peak, well, that would be close to around an 800-point correction is what we have seen.